Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on a TECNO Spark Go 1. So you have to start by selecting your language and then click next. Now you have to select your region and then click next. Here you can insert your SIM card or you can click skip. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi or you can click skip again. Here you have to agree to user and services agreement and then click next. Now you have to scroll down and click accept. And here you can set up your unlock method or you can just click skip. And now you can clone your data from another device or you can just click skip again. Here you can select your navigation mode and then click next. And then click on this arrow button. And as you can see, my phone is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.